In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Elementor in WordPress. If you want an easy way to design pages with a drag and drop editor, Elementor is one of the most popular tools you can add to your WordPress site. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can get it installed properly. To begin, log into your WordPress.com account and go to your site's My Home dashboard. This is the main area where you can manage your website settings, content, and tools. Starting here makes it easy to access everything you need in one place. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the menu and click on Plugins. This section is where you can browse, search for, and manage plugins for your WordPress site. Plugins are what add extra features and functionality, and Elementor is installed from here just like any other plugin. After opening the plugin section, go to the search bar and type Elementor Website Builder. Make sure you enter the name clearly so the correct plugin appears in the results. Searching by the full name can help you avoid selecting a different plugin with a similar title. When you see the search results, click on Elementor Website Builder. This will open the plugins page where you can review the plugin and begin the installation process. It's always a good idea to double check that you're selecting the correct plugin before moving forward. Next, click on Upgrade and Activate. This is the option that starts the installation and activation process for Elementor on your site. Once activated, Elementor becomes available for use inside WordPress, allowing you to begin building and customizing pages visually. One important thing to know is that you need to have a plan or a paid plan in order to install plugins on WordPress.com. If you don't see the option to install or activate Elementor, it usually means your current plan doesn't include plugin installation. In that case, you'll need to upgrade your plan first before continuing, and that's it. Once your plan supports plugins and Elementor is activated, you'll be ready to start using it on your WordPress site. If you're following along, just take it one click at a time, and you should have no trouble getting it set up.